Hello friends, so in this video I will talk about the PhET Interactive Simulations. It is a project by University of Colorado, and it is basically founded in 2002 by Nobel Laureate Carl Wieman. So it can be very useful for the physics, chemistry, biology, earth science related simulations. So it's a kind of small simulations you can use to understand the concept of the physics, chemistry, biology. So let's go to this link. So there are several types of basically simulations related to physics, chemistry, mathematics, earth science, biology. So let's go to the physics one because I work from physics. So in the physics section you will have multiple types of simulations like physics, motion, sound and waves, and these heat and thermodynamics, these all things. So let's go to the AC circuit construction kit AC. So let's click on it. So how to run it? So what you have to do for this, let's say if you just want to run it, capacitor lab basics, then what you can do, you just click on it and you can download basically the application. Let's see, it's downloading till okay, now it's downloaded. Now you can try it. So there are two options here, capacitance and the light bulb. So let's click on the capacitance, and this is also opening here, capacitance and light bulb. If you click here, it will give the light bulb also. So capacitance, first you can try it, stored energy, these all things you can try, and the electric field also it will show, and you can take a voltmeter. So at this point the voltage is 0. Then if you increase the voltage, as we know, the charge on the capacitor will increase, capacitor will start charging, and you can see there how is the charge on the capacitor is increasing, and capacitance and the stored energy. And you can also put the voltage, how much is the voltage on the two end. So voltage is 0.45. if you move to 1.5, you can just see also here 1.5 volt, and you can see the electric field lines, how it looks like the charge on the capacitor. And this is particular the dimension of the capacitors. You can just see the area and then the spacing between the plates. So in this way you can try to understand how it's charging and discharging. For the discharging you can try it. Let's move it here. Okay, and then for the discharging you can use it, this particular case. So we can use a bulb, electric bulb. So first you have to charge the capacitor, then we can connect the bulb to discharge the capacitor. So first you have to charge it, and then you can put the electric field here. Now it's charged. Now you can basically discharge it. You can just click on it, then you can see it's start discharging, and electric bulb basically illuminates, and now all charge is gone from the capacitor. Now you can again do the charging, and you can do the discharging. So this kind of things you can try it, and you can try to visualize the things in this simulation framework. So let's go to the next application. This is one of the application. Then we can go to the another application. Let's see it. Okay, the next application I can take, you can pick any of these to understand different concepts. So let's take the AC circuit construction kit. It's called circuit construction kit AC virtual lab. So again you have to download it first. Let's wait till it is downloading. Okay, now it's downloaded. Then you can try in the AC, you can just AC circuit, you can try it. So this is a wire, you can select it, and then you can connect the battery also from it. Let's put the battery here, and you can connect the wire from the battery. Let's connect it. Now you can see it, it's like this. And then what you can do, no, okay, you can again connect the wire. Now you can connect the register. We want to make the simple RC circuit, so then you can just connect again the wire here. Okay, and then you can connect here a capacitor at this end. Okay, and then you can connect the wire here also, and then we can connect this with the switch. Let's put the switch here. Okay, now this is a basically RC circuit. We have a resistance, we have a capacitor. So now you have to first close the switch, then it will start charging. Before that I want to make it. So how is the voltage profile looks like versus in the time if you just charge it and if you discharge it, and this is also the current, how the current in the circuit looks like was in terms of time, with respect to time. So now first you on it. Let's say if you close the circuit, then you can see the capacitor start charging, then you can see, and the current start decreasing here. So this is the behavior we expect from the discharging. You can just click here, you can see every time discharging and discharging, every time discharging. So these kind of things you can try in this particular application, and it can be very useful to understand the things. You can increase voltage also. If you increase the voltage, then you can see how it looks like. So these all things you can try. And let's remove the here. Now I can put the AC voltage also. There you have you can just see now it's a voltage, and the current profile is basically AC, sinusoidal wave. And what you can do, you can also change the type of how the way you want. If you don't want electrons, then you can use the conventional. You can also go to the circuit format. So then you can see its register appears with this particular symbol, and for this particular is the basically circuit diagram. So these all things you can try in this case. You can also use the inductor if you require, but right now I don't want to use it. But if you want to try the LC circuit, LR circuit, these all things you can try in this particular circuit construction kit. So this is all. Thank you.